True story. My second grade, him and this other guy used to always getting in trouble together. So we had another second grade class. He got so bad he got kicked out.
They take both. They take both the trouble and move it. I need both of them gone. To you.
Niggas don't really believe in this shit no more. It's like everything water. That shit gonna fly over these niggas' heads.
It's the wavy crowd them dishes. I'm the waviest one in the game, man. I'm about to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button before I Alt/F3.
What the f is that for?
Hit you in your throat. That's how the keyboard warriors do. Like, comment, all the above. Just want to do a quick little pickup vid. Shout out to the sponsor 8 and 9. Before I get into that, I gotta say, roll tide. I'm ready. 30 more minutes, national championship. Y'all already know, brother. I'm a Bama. You know what I'm saying? Word. Yo, shout out to Dothan, Alabama. Shout out to Montgomery, aka the Gump, Birmingham, Mobile, Port City.
They go that Earl nigga.
Not Auburn though. But anyway, man, F all that. The reason for the vid is, like I said, I got a boxing from 8 and 9. Oh, and before I do get into this unboxing, I want to say thank you to everybody. I just hit like 9K last week, and I see that I'm going to that 10K like real strong. I don't know if it has anything to do with that video that I made about these nigga heads with no style or whatever.
Where he go to Polo Swag Party?
He's cordially invited. He got him delivered to the crib. You remember how Sweet 16?
Yeah, you remember? And they be dancing.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, I'm trying to get on there one time.
I just have to do it.
I appreciate y'all that liked it. I appreciate y'all that viewed it. You know what I'm saying? Word. Thank you. Whew. So anyway, like I said, shout out to 8 and 9 for hitting me off. They actually let me pick my joints. You can use my discount code WAVY and save 25% off your purchase. Yo, this came right on time too. I ain't gonna front, boy. Yo, shout out to Figs and anybody else at 8 and 9. Word. Oh, shout out to Drink Champs too. You already know. Let's put this right here. All right, start with the T's. What we got? I don't know if I was just picking stuff, but let's see, what joint is it? Every man dies, not every man truly lives. I got my burr on right here, boy. That's so icy. So icy. Yeah. Word. Hell yeah. Got that joint. And I got the, you know what I'm saying? We gonna be so icy together, brother. Yeah, I know. Word. Yo, don't forget, yo, use my discount code WAVY, save 25% off. Yo, it really comes in handy when they be having sales. That's when I would tell y'all to go after these joints. But we'll get into all that like in a bit. Let me keep showing y'all this gear. Word. You know I like joints like this. I don't know what it means. Let me see. What does it say? Chopping. I don't know. Joint just look kind of hard. You know what I'm saying? Word. And for any like Greek, I don't know, histrionographers. What? I don't know what this is, but it does look kind of hard. Word. Yeah, you know I had to get this joint. Yeah, you know, cause I'm paid in full.
Bullshit.
Yeah, this joint hard right here too, boy. Yes, sir. Got a paid in full joint. Got me some joggers, yeah? Got them in a size large. The 8 and 9 joint looking all drip. My bad. 8 and 9 joint looking all drippy. Word. Got the pocket in the back. Yeah, I like these, man. Definitely. Probably throw these on with the low cherry red lows, you know? Word. Yeah, I like them. It's pretty cool. Word. What y'all think? Let me know. And then finally, I got that. Woo! 2 is better than 1. There's 3 of the locks. I thought this was supposed to come with one of those, damn. But all right, man, we cool. I see where y'all boys getting these snapbacks from, matter of fact. But yeah. So I got the locks joint, secure the bag, LOX. Shout out to Jadakiss, Chic and Styles, you already know. So yeah, got my joint. So yeah, that's my pickups right there, man. Salute. Yo, shout out to Figs though, word. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be rocking these, you're gonna see. It's real cold right now up in New York, so you gotta be bundled up. I got a little trick up my sleeve though. One more time, it's the paid in full joint, all 8 and 9. Use my discount code WAVY. Best time to use it is when it's on set, when you catching the sales already. Cause yo, they got some gems for the low, word. And they just restocked, matter of fact. I see after I purchased my order, they got the Respect Life tees, that joint hard. Yeah, got my joint, yes sir. Oh, okay, my bad, damn, I was getting, thank y'all, appreciate it. I do got some, okay. I ain't, yo, this the So Icy joint, it comes with some pins, boom. So I'm gonna definitely, let me see, y'all can see that, yeah. I'm gonna definitely be rocking this. Yeah, this joint hard right here. Boom. Spider-Mans. Which y'all ooh, to the Spider-Mans? Nah. This joint, I don't remember picking it, but you know what I'm saying? We gonna make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? Word. Definitely. And last but the locks. All right. Use my discount code WAVY. I already said that. Shout out to 8 and 9. I'm gonna leave their information below. I've already been having their information in all my vids, like ever since like 2 weeks ago or whatever. So I hope y'all been taking advantage of that. Like I said, go for them sales. That's the best time to go for them, especially because they be showing some love with the sales. Then plus that 25% off. Oh Lord! I'm on that 10K grind. I want to know what it feels like to be 10K, double digits. That's all right for me, man. Like, I ain't gonna front, man. Word. And then we just gonna keep it going, man. I'm gonna keep trying to pursue these sponsors. I'm gonna keep coming with this content. I like the fact that y'all rock with me. Y'all give me feedback. Y'all like my vlogs and all that. I don't wanna get too deep or nothing like that because, you know, the moral of the video is all about 8 and 9. But anyway, man, shout out to everybody that's been rocking with the Wave Mob. Everybody that's been commenting, liking, even if you dislike, because at the end of the day, it still counts as a view, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Don't forget, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be, but that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
Drop, better hit the floor, hit the floor, hit the floor, hit